If you like rugged touring, outback touring, this is what you've got to have a look at. It's the Dominator 19'6", and you've got to see some of the features. It's got the genuine DO35 off-road hitch. It's got the stone guard as standard. You've got the generator box as standard, a toolbox over there. The suspension, amazing. You've got a 6-inch chassis and then a 100mm riser, so you'll find that off the ground, it is so high. And then you've got this massive toolbox that they've included as well. This toolbox here, just fabulous. Picnic table here, and of course, when you go inside, you have that real, whoa, this is terrific. You'll get the feeling, come on in. So when you come in, it's as rugged as heck outside. You can go really off-road. And yet when you come inside, it's all luxury. And the luxuries begin right from here, because if you're having a barbecue outside, you can get to all your ingredients straight from here without having to climb up into the van. Close that up. But if you're prepping, if you're doing a meal, you've got lots of bench area here. But here's that pantry, so it just slides out. So all those ingredients that I got from the outside are available again for you on the inside. Then you've got the oven, butte area here. Butte area here. Coming through, you've got the microwave oven, lots of storage, butte sound system, exhaust over the bed, so it gets rid of all that hot air because you've got air conditioning as well, sound system. So much storage, including having the comfort of USB points beside your beds. And here we go, storage again. So wherever you want to put things, you've got room here. It is amazing. Big fridge, big freezer. Then you've got the cafe bar lounge. Here we go, pull that out. Isn't that clever? Isn't that clever? But if you don't want all of that table space, fold that back up. Got all the room you want. More storage under again. More magazine racks, lots of light, and let's go through to the bathroom. A really good feature of this, you've got 3 shelves here, all for your linen, all for your towels, everything's there. Drawers here, and then the washing machine. So you don't have to line up for the laundry, it's all there for you. So you've got it all, and the shower, have a look at this. Its own exhaust fan, shiny, polished, hot and cold, ready for you. Hey, you're ready for holidays? If you're ready to go off-road, but you're ready to do it in style, hey, the River Dominator.